Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to give you a quick review on Softr. Now this is Softr.io and we're going to see what it's all about. So as you can see, it is SOC2 type 2 compliance, support SSL, SAML, OpenID. You can use it to create, update, delete data and trigger workflows. That's what it's for. You can embed so many great things. Let's get started from the beginning of the menu. Okay, let's get started. Now, what Softr is all about is for you to build custom business software without code. That's right, you can turn your siloed data and workflows into powerful custom apps for your businesses. It is easy, it is fast, and no code is required. You won't get started, just click get started. I can get started for free. So what do you do here? You can see the people that have used it, loved by. You can see all it's, you can use them for all this. Now, use cases. You can create tools that work the way you do. Stop overspending on pricey software with unused features. You can build your custom apps that feature work for perfectly. Portal, CRM, inventory, dashboards, form, internet, and see more. There's so many things you can see. So you can have dashboards. Here's the product. They have lots of app templates for you. Professionally designed, fully customizable app, easy to use app templates that you can use for client portals. You want to create client portal, project management for partner portal, company intranet, order management, sales CRM, employee directly, customer onboarding, sales KPIs, dashboard, and so much more. You can see them: product and service, product and design, IT and operation, finance and accounting, sales, HR, recruiting, customer support, marketing, retail, events and media, construction, logistics, manufacturing, tech, professional use, legal, education, real estate, non-profit, venture capital, funds, directly CRM, dashboards, knowledge, so many things you can use it for. So you can join 700,000 plus companies and creators on Softr. Create your first app in minutes. On their site, click on get started. So they have so many templates, and when it comes to pricing, like we said earlier, this is a pricing. They have the free version, basic, professional, business, and enterprise. And these are the great things you're going to get from them. A lot of resources for you to learn from. So it can be used by, like I said before, this is for portals, for internal tools you can get from it here, for business operations and the rest of them. The products we have are interface building, data sources, workflow automation, building blocks, user and permissions, actions. Like you can get action-packed apps just a click away on the main. Payment, you can try the fastest way to accept payments, integrations, mobile app, forms, AI app generator, and so much more. So what you're waiting for? Give Softr a, actually I don't pronounce this word, I just call it Softr or Softr a try.